guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again. So today we're gonna do an unboxing of my Givenchy Mule slide. So let's start. So I got this box. It arrived today, so let's see what's inside. What's that? So here it is. This is my Givenchy snake. I think it's. Let me double check. This is my Givenchy snake print leather mule. Receipt here, right over here. So let's do an unboxing. I'm gonna open it. So inside it has this care pocket. With this one, see of how you're gonna take care of the product or the item right over there. It's nice. Next is the sandal. Comes in a dust bag, both of them. Dust bag, and there it is. I've been wanting this since 2 years, but I wanted a unique one. I just don't want the plain black, white, or something plain, because I want it to be different. That's the reason why I like Givenchy. There's a few who only own Givenchy bags or shoes. So a lot of them is Louis Vuitton and other stuff like that. So this is it. You have a black Givenchy dust bag. I don't know if you can see. And the other one too, it comes with a dust bag. Good.